Briton Edward Kendall was another foreign visitor who reported the same fact about the religious element in public education in America in his 3-volume set. As he traveled from state to state, he would document the diverse aspects of American life, from courts of justice to Indian missions, from prison systems to theaters and public entertainments. While in Connecticut, Kendall had examined American education, and he found the state's illiteracy law of interest, particularly the opening declaration of that law.
This legislature, observing that, notwithstanding our former orders made for the education of children, there are many persons unable to read the English tongue, and thereby incapable of reading the holy word of God or the good laws of this state.
Notice the reason that the Connecticut legislature had been concerned about illiteracy. If a child could not read, then he would not know the word of God or the laws of the state. This meant that if the legislature enacted a law that contradicted the word of God, then citizens might not prevent its passage. Another famous education law was called the Northwest Ordinance. It was the first federal law to address education. Significantly, that law was passed at the identical time and by the identical founding fathers who drafted the First Amendment, the very same amendment that the courts now interpret as prohibiting the presence of religious activities in public schools. Interestingly, Article 3 of that federal law directly linked religion and public education together, declaring,
"Religion, morality, and knowledge being necessary to good government and the happiness of mankind, schools and the means of education shall forever be encouraged."